What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I got a pretty simple day. I'm only going to be installing my OMP steering wheel as well as the energy quick release that came with it. So here's what I actually have. I got all of this as a kit from rally.build. I'll link the website. They're a great website if you're looking for rally parts or anything like that. Anyway, I got it all as a kit. It was a lot cheaper. I'd probably save me like 80, 90 bucks comparatively to buying all this stuff separately. So energy quick release, the hub for the actual steering wheel, and then of course the steering wheel. So get all this stuff open and then throw it in the car. So first thing that you want to do whenever messing with the electronics, especially if you're going to be pulling the steering wheel out and messing with the airbag, disconnect the battery for sure. You don't want that pellet bomb going off in your face while you're pulling it out or anything like that. That would really suck. Alright, now to get the actual cover off with the airbag in it, you're going to need a T30 Torx. And there's either 2 or 3 depending on your Subaru or your car. Mine only has 2, newer ones will have 3. The Torx are located here and on the opposite side. Now the Torx don't come all the way out. They do have a little clip in there that'll retain them so they don't pop out and you lose them inside the steering wheel. Alright, and once you loosen it up enough, the whole thing will just pop right out. Next, to actually get the airbag out, you need to remove both the connectors for the horn and the airbag. And to remove the one for the airbag, it's best to use like a small screwdriver or something similar. And you just move the little green tab forward, and then you pop it out. Next, you need a 17mm to pull off this steering wheel nut. And yeah, I'm gonna use an impact because I'm lazy. And now your steering wheel's free. So once you get the steering wheel off, be careful of the clock spring if you do plan on reusing it. I'm not gonna reuse it, I'm just gonna get rid of it. Alright, so once you either modify the clock spring or you get it out, you're ready to throw on the hub. So make sure you straighten out the wheels first and then line up the top where it says top on the actual hub. Alright, now once you get that on there and torque to the right spec, next is to grab the energy quick release. So if you don't want a quick release, you don't have to have one. You can just mount the steering wheel straight to their hub. Since it'll be easier getting in and out of the car when it actually has seats, I got the quick release and it wasn't much more. So to install it, just pop it apart and then just bolt this end over to the hub. Once you get that on there and tight, all you got to do is throw the other side of the quick release onto the steering wheel. Now when you throw this on there, make sure you line up where you set top at with the actual top of the steering wheel. Just like that, got the steering wheel installed. So that's all I got for this one. Wanted to be quick, throw out an update. I gotta help my wife change her oil since I've been putting that off for quite a few days, so that's what's next for me. But yeah, I'm excited for the rally event coming up in a couple days. There should be some good footage coming from that. Thanks.